Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Rhea Rose Abacan. You can call me Rhea for short. I am 34 years old with live-in partner and blessed with two kids, ages 8 and 10. My height is 149 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilograms. I am a college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 6 years in two different employer. I can take care of baby, kids, pets, and I can do cleaning the house, ironing, cooking Filipino foods. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. Ma'am, sir, please do hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and trusted. Thank you and have a nice day.